Bonjour, today we are looking at conjugation of two verbs, être and avoir. So we're going to take a look first at the pronoun that we use to conjugate. So what we call pronoms sujet, subject pronouns. Je, that's the equivalent of I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she, on, one, nous, we, vous, you, il, they, or elle, they, as there's no distinction in English between masculine and feminine for the plural. Okay, so here our subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il ou elle. Okay? And on, we'll see when we use that. So for each subject, you will need to conjugate the verb. Okay? We have a little bit of that in English. Okay? And by example, you put an S when you use he or she. She talks, I talk. So we'll see that French is a little bit more complicated because we have more of those going on. So elle, Isabelle, la prof, that would be she. So you will conjugate them as she. Okay, Isabelle est la prof, that would be they, as it's a the plural. So by example, we'll have nt that is added, okay, for certain verbs. Okay, let's look at the verb être, its conjugation. Je suis. So you need to pronounce that. Remember that we don't pronounce the final consonant. Okay? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est. We have a liaison here. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay? So these are the verbs that you need to be able to conjugate without thinking at all. Le verbe avoir, to have. J'ai, because we have a vowel sound. It starts with a vowel sound. So we lose that E and we replace it by an apostrophe. J'ai. Je suis, mais j'ai. Okay? Tu as, il a, elle a, on a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So, some little difference of pronunciation, okay, between être et avoir. Je suis, tu es, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, we need that liaison here, et ils sont. We have a se sound, ils sont, okay? But with avoir, j'ai, like I said, we replace by an apostrophe because of the vowel sound. Tu as, il a, nous avons. Here we have a liaison also. Vous avez another liaison. Et elles ont. That's also a liaison. So you need to make the difference between elles sont, elles ont. We need a very clear difference between the two. Okay? Not the same verb. I hope that helps. Okay, let's take a look at the verbs that we call regular verbs that end by er. Okay? We will take the verb, we'll remove that ending, that er, that qualifies it, that distinguish it from other verbs, and we will add the terminaison, the endings. So, j'écoute, it's very important to remove e and r, and to add e, tu écoutes, il écoute, elle écoute, on écoute. Nous écoutons. We have a liaison here, and we still don't pronounce that S at the end. Vous écoutez. EZ, remember that it's pronounced et. Et we have a liaison. Vous écoutez. Et ils écoutent, elles écoutent. I'll repeat them and tell me what you notice. J'écoute, tu écoutes, il écoute, nous écoutons, vous écoutez, ils écoutent. Okay, so yes, écoute, we don't care if there's just the E, ES, or ENT, it will be pronounced the same way. J'écoute, tu écoutes, on écoute, elles écoutent. The only difference that you will hear, because that verb starts with a vowel sound, that's the only reason. Elle écoute, elles écoutent. But the ending will be pronounced the same. So practice that. You don't want to be saying j'écoute, tu écoutes. No. J'écoute, tu écoutes, il écoute. Nous écoutons, vous écoutez, ils écoutent. Repeat that. Write it down until it comes naturally. And when you feel brave enough, you take another verb that ends by ER, parler, danser, marcher, and you conjugate it applying the rule. Okay? So these are the three verbs or type of verbs that you need to know without any discussion, without thinking about them. Okay, that's it. Talk to you soon. À bientôt.